Yeah, so this is a short guided meditation to go underneath the waves of the mind and the waves of the body. Find a quiet place within, peaceful place within, where there is power and strength and creativity. So make your body comfortable. Close your eyes. And allow the world to recede in the distance. People doing as if you turn off the knob of some mixing board, take a little vacation. Bringing full awareness to the sacred process of breathing. Allowing the breath to be slow, deep. As you inhale, inhale all the way to the lungs, into the belly. As you exhale, exhale all the way. Just keeping your attention, alertness anchored to the body breathing. Their thoughts, images, notice, but ignore them. Fully attentive to what is real, the now moment. Past and future. Just here now. Finding ways to enjoy this breathing and sense that it's not just air that comes into you, but it's good, nourishing, life soothing energy coming from our common creator. Breathing in, feeling this air as a loving embrace, a loving balm, going into any hurt parts in your body or vulnerable or tender. As you breathe out, we let go of trying to manage anything and control. Just falling into a sense of trusting life, trusting spirit, trusting the common creator of all things. It's not uncommon that as the mind gets quiet, you may become aware of some unpleasant energies or feelings are more there. So just whatever is there in the body, welcome them completely, allowing any emotion, yet something is present to these emotions. Treating these emotions or these energies or tensions as your children, that they are coming from the woods, coming back home, the warm fire of your presence. Instead of rejecting them or escaping them, fully welcome them as a good mother or father. Letting them be as they are. If some part of the body is particularly tender, vulnerable, or difficult to bear, you can even put a hand there, as if you're holding this child who's been through a lot of stuff. And these hands are almost saying, I'm here for you, I got you, it's going to be okay. We may find people that are loving and accepting with us, but we can't rely just on that. We need this loving presence to be there, this energy of awareness, like a good mother, enveloping the child with her loving attention. Because there's a reason if the baby, the child in us is suffering, is upset. It's not a mistake to bring the mother as you. Allow the child to be hugged. Listen to, rejected. So we can open this sense of aware mother. It's aware of the feelings, the energies, but also the sounds, the temperature on the skin, sensations of the contact with the earth. Just being globally welcoming and present, all of these energies. You don't need to be calm or happy. We need to be fully present to whatever feelings we have. And sooner or later, we will be calm. And sensing this sense of aware being, which hears these words and senses the body, just letting ourselves just be. Let any feelings be without focusing into any feeling or sensation. Sensing this aware background, this spaciousness in which feelings and images appear. This aware background is not actually affected or scratched by any feeling. The witnessing presence is actually unhurt, unaffected by anything that it perceives. Yet it's not always pleasant. Sometimes there are these emotions and sensations that are there for a reason, telling us something. Need to change some attitude or change some relationships, change our views. Be kind, supportive, loving towards ourselves. Treat others as we want to be treated, but not sacrifice ourselves for others, hurting ourselves. For the last couple of minutes, do nothing. Just being. Seek custody over any energies in the body. Need to change them or control them. Aware of stuff and aware that you, as this aware spirit, you are the I amness. Don't wait to do this once a week or you work with me. Put some time, ideally, the first part of the day, where you can just be bring this being, awareness, witnessing to whatever your body and the mind offers. Being more conscious. Being more conscious, make wiser choices. This is not a luxury, this is a necessity to set some time for this. It's imperative. Otherwise, we are spinning like a ship without a rudder. So, as Master Jesus said, whoever has ears, let him hear. Thank you.